Hi, welcome back to the social science class. In today's class, we are going to speak about Bhakti Pant. Yeah, previously we have learned the introduction of the Bhakti Pant. Uh, as I already mentioned in this throughout the chapter, you are going to learn about Ramanand, Chaitanya, Guru Nanak, the Bhakti Pant. What is the Bhakti Pant in Karnataka? Also, we are going to speak, and the effects of the Bhakti Pant we are going to speak, and what are the main futures of the Bhakti Pant we are going to speak here. Today I am going to speak you a great Bhakti Pantist. We can talk here. In that I am going to speak you here about Ramanand. So the Ramanand we are going to speak you here today. We are going to speak about Ramanand. So who is Ramanand? How? What is the Ramanand's philosophy we can tell, and all those things we are going to speak you here. So Ramanand was born in a Brahmin family that is in Allahabad. So the Allahabad you can mention in the geography. It is a very important place also. So Ramanand basically he is from the Brahmin family, and he was a followers of Ramanujam philosophy. Already you have know about what is the philosophy which has taught by the Ramanujacharya. That is the Ramanujacharya's. He was a follower, and he established Vaishnava religious school based on love and devotion. So the what is a school he has established that will be mainly based on the Vaishnavas religious. So in that on love and devotion both as together he started. He traveled several places in North India and popularized worship of Rama and Sita. He is popularly worshipping the god and goddess, that is Rama and Sita. Varanasi was the center of the activities. So the main center where we can locate it was nothing but the Varanasi, and he condemned or he discouraged or he was we can tell as he was against of the caste system, and allowed the people for every caste to join his sects. So what are the his sects was there. He was as a Brahmin. He gave a open space to all the people to join his sects, and in that Kabir was in the Ramananda's follower. The Kabir we are going to speak about Kabir in the next. That is, the Kabir was one of the follower, and most of all the preachings of the Ramanand, and not only most of all the preachings of the Ramanand, it is in Hindi we can tell here. So do you know this? We can tell here Ramananda gave this unique message to people: do not question caste or creed. Think of the Lord becomes the one with him. God will never question one's caste, and whoever lives in the God, believes in the God would be blessed by the God. This was the next I am going to speak you here about Kabir or the Kabir Das. You may know about the Kabir Das. His year we can mention as a 1440 to the 1510 CE. So the Kabir we can tell is he is the one more saint who lived in the North India during this time, means that during the 1440 to the 1510. Actually that what we are calling here, he was born in a family engaged weaving work. So weaving work in there they are called as a Jullas in Varanasi. What is a Jullas means? What are the people were doing the weaving work that they are calling. He was a student of Ramanand. Already we have spoke about the Ramanand, right? That is he was a student of Ramanand, and most of the time what are the Kabir has spent in Varanasi. That is a thing. Other than that, he began to preach his new philosophy. As usual, as he condemned the caste system and multiple idol worship. What is the multiple idol worship? As Indians, we know we are the most famous for the, and we are worshipping God in the form of idols. For example, you can tell Ganesha, he is having the face with the different, Shiva without the there is one, Krishna which is having the flute and all those things. So he said that multiple idol worship, the God is, we can say the God is one, and he said, he declared that God is one and he is the same for both Hindus and Muslims. Somewhere we are saying the, we can say as a Hindu can call it as a Rama and Muslim will be call it as a Rahim, like that. The both the God is only one. It will be looking, or the as per the our knowledge, we are calling by the other names, we can tell. He tried to bring out the harmony, tolerance between two communities, that is from the Hindus and the Muslims. He preached in Hindi, common man's language, like common man's language, like his guru. He reached more people. Kabir composed the couplets, that is we are calling as a dohas, that is a Kabir dohas we are calling. Hindus and Muslims recite these dohas even today in the North India. That is a very important for him. Now that is the Hindus as well as Muslims both will be recite the dohas which has composed by the Kabir Das. The followers of Kabir Das will be known as the their Panth, that is we are calling as a Kabir Panthis. So what is the Kabir Panthis here? Meaning traveler who go on the path of Kabir. So the meaning of the Kabir Panthis means that is the traveler who go on the path of the Kabirs, means what are the Kabir thought. They are following Kabirs, they are calling as a Kabir Panthis. Kabir preached greatness and humorness that goes beyond the caste and religion boundaries. Kabir was the main religious social reformer of India. The next one I am going to speak you here, that is Chaitanya, one more Bhakti Panth leader we can say here. So are the saint here. So that is a Chaitanya. That Chaitanya in the year of the 1486 to the 1533. Chaitanya was one of the famous saint from the Bhakti movement. As usual, like Ramanand, he was also from one the Brahmin family, that is Nadia of Bengal. He took Diksha at the age of 25 years and became the disciple of Sri Krishna Panth. He lived in Mathura and Brindavana for many years, and his teaching or preaching was preached the difference of caste can be removed by discipline. How we can remove the caste system? As per the Chaitanya, to the discipline we can remove the caste system, and man becomes pure through devotion. So how can be the common man become a pure? That is through the devotion towards to God. He popularized worship of Krishna also. He composed many devotional songs in praise of Krishna. He opposed caste system and attempt to bring about the sense of brotherhoodness among the brotherhood among the people. His philosophical thoughts and teachings are collected. So that is the Chaitanya Chaitamrita. In the books of the Chaitanya Chaitamrita, what are the philosophical thoughts and the teachings of the Chaitanya that will be recorded here. So in the next class I am going to speak you regarding Guru Nanak, Mirabai, Sufi saints and the Purandara Dasa and all those things. Thank you for watching video. Have a great day ahead. Stay tuned to GJS.